Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious muffins using an easy method in your OTG. We will cover everything from gathering your ingredients to the final cooling process. This simple guide ensures perfect, fluffy muffins every time, even if you are new to baking. Get ready to enjoy warm, homemade treats with minimal effort and maximum flavor. Let's get started on this delightful baking journey together. For our dry ingredients, you will need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the wet components, prepare 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Having these measured out beforehand makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. This precise combination ensures a perfectly balanced muffin. Once your ingredients are ready, gently combine the wet and dry mixtures. Remember, the key is to mix until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can result in tough muffins, so be gentle. Fill your muffin liners about 2/3 full. Preheat your OTG to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, then bake for 18 to 20 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean. After baking, let your muffins cool in the pan for about 5 minutes. This helps them set before you transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Cooling on a rack prevents the bottoms from becoming soggy. Once cooled, they are ready to be enjoyed. Store any leftover muffins in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. These homemade treats are perfect for breakfast or a delightful snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.